Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Welcome to class 3. Today is our English class. Now dear students, open your books and come on the unit number 2, page number 22. The name of the unit is Asking Permission. Now let's have a reading of the unit. Bala loved brinjal bhujia. One day, Bala's wife Aisha wanted to make some bhujia, but she didn't have any brinjals. She asked her husband to get her some. Near the village there was a field with lots of brinjals. It belonged to Bhuta. Bala went to the field. He did not take a brinjal and run. Instead, he bent down beside the brinjal plants so that his mouth was close to the ground. Field, he whispered, may I take a brinjal? Why only one? Dear Bala, he replied, pretending to be the field. Take as many as you like. Bala took a dozen brinjals and went home. A few days later, he wanted to eat brinjals again. Bala went to the field a second time and then again and again. Bhuta, the owner of the field, was very big and strong. He knew that somebody was stealing his brinjals. He wanted to catch the thief. One night, come on the next page, page number 24. He saw Bala go into the field. He followed him. Bala went straight to the brinjals. As usual, he asked the field for permission to take the brinjals. Then he gave himself permission, but there he could pluck the brinjals. Bhuta jumped on him. He threw Bala across his shoulder and carried him to a pond near the field. There he threw him on the ground. Pond, said Bhuta. How many times should I dip this fellow into your water? And pretending to be the pond. He replied, not once. Dear Bhuta, dip him 100 times or 200 times or more. Bala got home very late that night. He was soaking wet, but he never stole any brinjals again. Why he never stole anything ever again? This is the end of the reading. Now I will tell you a short summary of this unit. In the story, Bala loved brinjal bhujia and he stole brinjal from a field which belonged to a man, Bhuta. Bala did not take a brinjal. Instead, he showed if he get permission from the field. He sat near the field and he replied to himself to get as many as he would like. He stole brinjals many times in this way. When the owner of the field came to know that somebody was stealing his brinjals, he stole brinjals many times in his way. When the owner of the field came to know that somebody was stealing his brinjals, he went into the fields. Bala was giving permission to himself to get a brinjal. Bhuta jumped on Bala. Bhuta carried Bala on his shoulder and threw him near a pond. There Bhuta asked pond to dip him in water. Then he gave permission to himself to get him dipped 100 times. That night, Bala got home late and he was drenched. बाला को बैंगन का भुर्ता बहुत पसंद था और वो बैंगन एक खेत से चोरी किया करता था जिसका मालिक बूटा था. बाला खुद ही खेत से बैंगन ले लेता, बल्कि वो जाहिर करता कि वो खेत से इजाज़त मांगता है. वो खेत के करीब बैठता और इसने अपने आप को जवाब दिया कि वो जितने चाहे इतने बैंगन ले सकता है. इसने कई मरतबा इस खेत से बैंगन हासिल किए. जब खेत के मालिक को पता चला कि कोई इसके खेत से बैंगन चुरा रहा है तो वो खेत में पहुंच गया. जब बाला अपने आप को इजाज़त दे रहा था वो बैंगन ले सकता है तो बूटा उससे ऊपर जा गिरा. बूटा ने बाला को अपने कंधों पर उठाया और उसे एक नदी के पास ले गया. پھر بوٹا نے ندی سے اجازت مانگی اور خود کو اجازت دے دی کہ اسے ندی میں ڈبو دیا جائے. اسی رات بالا گھر بہت دیر سے آیا اور وہ بہت بھیگا ہوا تھا. Now dear students, I will tell you the difficult words and their meanings. Whispered, speak in a low voice. Replied, answered, pretending, acting as if, stealing, to rob, soaking, drenched. Whispered, speak in a low voice. Replied, answered, pretending, acting as if, stealing, to rob, soaking, drenched. Now I will tell you the word sentences. Whispered, she whispered. Replied, he replied at once. Pretending, he replied pretending to be the field. Stealing, somebody was stealing his brinjals. Soaking, he was soaking wet. Whispered, she whispered. Replied, he replied at once. Pretending, he replied pretending to be the field. Stealing, somebody was stealing his brinjals. Soaking, he was soaking wet. Now answer the following questions. Why did Bala's wife ask him to get a brinjal? Bala's wife asked him to get a brinjal because she wanted to make some bhujia. Why did Bala's wife ask him to get a brinjal? Bala's wife asked him to get a brinjal because she wanted to make some bhujia. Now come on the question number 2. Why did Bala get home late that night? Bala got home late that night because he was thrown 100 times into a pond. Why did Bala get home late that night? Bala got home late that night because he was thrown 100 times into a pond. Now dear students, you write down the words meaning, word sentences, also the question answers of this unit on your notebook. Read them and also learn by heart. Now come on the page number 24. We solve the book work. On the page number 24, you can see the question number 2. The brinjal field belonged to dash. In the fill in the blank, you write down Bhuta. Now question number 3. The Bala stole brinjals from the field once, twice, many times. Choose the right answer. Many times is the correct option. You put a tick and also write down in the fill in the blanks. Now question number 4. Bhuta carried Bala to the pond and threw him into it. It is true or false? It is true. Now dear students, hope you better understand the lesson. You do the homework, words meaning, word sentences, question answers of this unit, also the book work. Read them and also learn them by heart. If there you have any confusion, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself.